Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. And this video we're going to create a new website for our business venture, which we are going to use a different tool today, which is called Wix. So head on to wix.com, and this is the tool we are going to use. Wix is an open source tool where you use to create websites, simple websites for free, and host them on their same server. So here we head on to login, because I have an account with them, so I will log in. But as for your own case, if you don't really have an account, then you have to create one. You might decide to create one with your Google or Facebook or Apple if you have any. So I have an email address, James. Continue with email, login password, click login. It's taking me to the website of Wix. So here is my dashboard, and in my dashboard it's now showing me some little things which I've done. That is my little work, my previous work which I've done on the side. So but the main thing here is when you come here, you might decide to say create folder, whatever. Don't bother yourself here. You might decide to say create new site, or come here to show you a list of works which you've done, and then create new site is still the same. Create new site. We're going to create a new website from scratch, from start to finish. So stay with me. What are you going to use for your editing? Oh, what are you going to use? We're going to use Wix. Select Wix and move. And then, what is your business? What is your business or website? What exactly are we doing? We're going to do something agriculture. We are running an agricultural company. Click on next. It has some options as well. Then, what name? What's the name of your business? You can change that. Say root farmers. That's the name of our business. We don't have any other name than this, and this is the name we choose to give our website. It's now asking us, what do you want to add to your website? We might decide to add some things or forms or whatever, but as for now, we are leaving it simple, so we skip. It says go to dashboard, start setting up your business. So we click on go to dashboard, and it's loading. And it provides you with this kind of page once it's finished loading. And here it asks you for a domain name. What name will you like to use? A custom domain, but you must subscribe to their paid version. So as for us here, we are creating a free one. So we are going to head onto design site, which you can head onto design site from this place. Design site. We're going to design our site. So it's asking us, let Wix create a site for you or customize a design template. Which one do you feel like using? But as for me, I think it will be better for us to use AI, because in our course outline, there is a course outline that said the importance of AI in web design, digital web design. So we let Wix to design it for us. The AI is going to do its thing and then present us with a nice looking website. And then all we have to do is to make some little changes, and everything will be up and running. So now here is it. It's now asking us, here is the place where we add some little bio concerning the website. Here is asking us, here is the name which we provided. It's asking for a logo. It says add logo. Give it a logo. Our logo will appear here. Here, what is showing us here, we finished filling the form and everything, which you can also fill by yourself, and then click on next. And now it gives us some terms that we should use. You should choose one theme from this place and then move on to creating your website. I think since we are dealing with agriculture, we should choose one of these two, either this deep forest or fresh. I would like to use fresh for now, deep forest for now. Or let me use fresh. Then you can only choose one. Then next, it's now preparing. Aha, it has now finished preparing and it presents us with three different formats of website of how our website will look like if we choose any. So this one is the first one. This is how our website will look like. And this one is the second one. This is how our website will look like. And then this one is the third one. So it's now left for us to choose one. As for me now, I would like to choose, I think, this second one. No, the first one, because it looks more professional to me. Next. And here it presents us with some pages which we can add to our website. So it's now asking us to add pages to our site. It says add pages to your site. What would you like your website to have? I would like it to have a news page first, then a contact us page, and also an about page. There's one as a career page. I think we should also have this. I don't really know, but we'll use it, and if we don't really need it, we'll delete it. So we click on next. It has finished creating the page and everything. It says, congratulations, your site is up and running. We might decide to go to a dashboard and whatever, but I really want the website to be ours completely, so we need to change some things. There are things that we'd like to change. So we come here and say, go to editor. And here is the editor with some tools here which we can use to customize and change our website to look the way we want it to look, fitting our needs and whatever we feel like doing. Here in our navigation bar, we have home, about, career, news, contact. It arranges them for us professionally. So there are things, just few things we need to do, and those things are to go after our pages one after the other to make sure that we put our pages in order. So here is it. Click on this thing. And we come here to pages, home page. I would like us to work on the home page. Close it. Then here is the home page. What exactly do we want to do in the home page? It says root farmers contact. This is the button that leads to the contact page, which the home page is fine. But if you really want to change something, quick edit, you can change it. Is it the image you want to change? You can change it. Is it the height that you want to reduce? You can reduce it. Is it if you want, but let's keep it the way it was. Also, if you want to edit this text, you can edit it by clicking double click and then also double click to select everything and then change it if you want to. But if you don't want it, you can leave it the way it is, or right click on it if you want to delete it and then delete it, but we are not deleting any for now. If you want to change stripe background, just click on it. It will ask you change stripe background and it will open. If you have any background in your mind that you want to put for it, you can add them. But as for now, I believe this agricultural background we are presented with is okay, so there's no need for changing. The AI made a good suggestion for it. So we then go to the next page, which is about page. Our about page. So what is on our about page? About page is create high-tech farm. We are trying to digitalize farming in Taraba State. So, for example, it says at our agricultural company, we strive to make your agricultural product more efficient and effective. We've developed a modern and sophisticated technology that allows our clients to smartly monitor and control their farms. So, things like that. It talks of since the foundation and everything. This is just a normal page, there's the about page. So we have to keep it simple. It tells everything about the company and everything, services and farm and everything. Here is it, and we can edit it. If you really want to change anything here, you just come here, double click on it, and it changes. If you want to change this heading, select it by clicking once and then double click on it, and then you will be able to edit the text. So for now, I think the about page is fine. If you want to change anything, you can change anything there. But if you're not ready to change anything, you can just leave it. And we'll go to pages and then career. Let's see if at all we don't need this career page. I think we can delete it. So it's not necessary. We must not have it. Um, Apply today. Join our team. These are for people who really want to join the team. And if there are people who would like to join the team of root farmers in Taraba State, then they should apply it and then submit their form by clicking the apply now button. So this career page, I don't think is really important or necessary, but let me show you how to delete it. Come here, click on pages, click on this, come the page is small, that's why. Click on this career page, it says delete. What are we deleting? We're deleting the career page if we don't really need it. And if we need it, we can say if we really need it, we have options. We can duplicate the page. Want to create multiple pages based on this layout? Make this page dynamic, duplicate page. You can do whatever you feel like doing. It's a copy of career page, done. So, but we don't really need them. So here we click in and then delete. Delete? Yeah, delete. This is how you delete a full page using Wix. And we are done with that. So we move to the next page. This is our contact page. So our contact page is now loaded, and everything, even with our address, Donga Road, Jalingo, Taraba, Nigeria, is now even pointing that here is the place where they live, here is the place where their office is, and if you want to meet them, you can come using your phone or whatever. You can, people can get to you with that. So it's a chat with us. Tunga Road, here's the phone number, here's the email address, the name, and whatever. So now we might decide to set a name, phone number, or change the address or everything. We might decide to do it and then submit. So it will replace the one here. But we are okay. We don't need to change anything here for now. So what we are going to do is now to see if at all in our home page there is something I would like us to do. I would like us to add a little video right below this hero section, below here, before the subscribe, below here. So here in this element it says add section. Add section. What section do we really want to add here? We're adding a basic section which is clean without any other thing, just a normal basic section. What do we want to add? Let's say a white one like this. Just drag it to our website and then keep it immediately below it. So but you see it's too big and whatever, we can readjust it and make it somehow small for it not to be that too big. And then we come here and click on element, add element. We want to add a video there, a YouTube video, link to a YouTube video. It says music, video and music. So it's a YouTube video. Click on it. It now gives us the link to a YouTube video. So let's say for example we have a YouTube channel that we show people about our farm, so we can use that. So now here I found a link to a YouTube video that's talking about agriculture, but not necessarily must you add a video, so but to teach you, so I have to do that. So come here, click on the video, say change video, come here, it asks you to add a link to the video which you want to put. So we just paste our new link and voila, it's not showing it. Here is it, our new video. So we might decide to add some text if we really want to add any text here, but we need to add